peeling skills. So this is a Y peeler, it's in the shape of a Y. I personally like them a little bit better than C peelers, but it's probably a matter of preference. You know, peelers, they can actually do a lot more than you think, and I'll show you a little bit of what that looks like later. So when you're peeling, you always want to think about an anchor. So let me show you a little bit of what that looks like. What you want to do is you always want to think of an anchor because most of the time that it takes to do a task in the kitchen, it's reorienting your vegetable. It's turning it, it's pushing it around, and you want to decrease that time as much as possible. So what this does is you're creating an anchor so that your left hand only has to turn the vegetable like this for us to get all of the cut here, okay? So let me show you a little bit of what that anchor looks like, okay? So all you really need to do is you're just turning your left hand here so that you're getting the whole thing. You're getting a nicely peeled carrot. Okay, and that is a fully peeled carrot. You can peel a cucumber exactly the same way. You want to create an anchor so that you create as little work as possible for your left hand, and you can move that transition very quickly. Okay, so just peel, start peeling. And that is a fully peeled cucumber. Peeling apples. So most people, they'll try to peel the apple with a knife and they'll go in circles like this, but it's a little bit imprecise and a little bit slow. But with a peeler, you can do it pretty quickly. And so what you want to do is you want to apply the same concept with your anchor, but you're using your thumb as an anchor. So you're going to be almost going around and peeling it with your thumb as an anchor. So let me show you a little bit of what that's like. Okay, just going all around, peeling it very quickly and precisely. You're only cutting as much as your peeling is allowing. And that is your peeled apple. So potatoes. It's a little bit small so that you can't use a board as an anchor. So you're gonna do the exact same thing. You're gonna use your thumb as an anchor here and just go all the way around, okay? Using your thumb as an anchor. Go all the way around. Quickly finish off the top and bottom. Get the little bits, and that is a peeled potato. So let me show you something a little bit different that you can do with a peeler, with a cheese block. And so you'll notice that there's a flat surface here, and so what we can do is we can use this peeler to peel off thin strips of cheese that you can use as a garnish, or you can put it on top of a dish just to give it a little bit more flair, okay? Here's what you can do with a peeler for a slightly different take on a cucumber salad. So you can make strips like these. So instead of having chunks or cubes, what you can do is you can have these nice little nice ribbons of cucumber to garnish your dish. So that's how you use a peeler effectively in the kitchen.